Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So as you see here that the daily candle here is finished, that one here. So also now that the fourth day will be going up, a very stronger bull market. And by the way, I came today in that video to answer that question because majority of people they asking me, did we bottom in Bitcoin? Yes, no. That question it repeat a lot of times, so I try to reply it. But one thing, also we don't got a magic ball. We're going to see the future or something. Also, we just using technical analysis and based on data and the market what it's telling us, we tell you if we are bottom or not yet. That's what also we using. It might we are right, it might we are wrong. So, but also we doing our possibility to analyze for you. So, also what we said here in that level here, we said we got here a very well known Wyckoff pattern here. Yes or no? And we said that one here is a part of that Wyckoff pattern. For us to know that one here it's being the bottom, the price of the Bitcoin where it is now, it need to come to break for us that level here and to do like that and to break the last high which is here. So technically what that meant was not yet we bottom in Bitcoin. That technically, that's what it meant. Yes or no? By the way, that Wyckoff pattern, let me show it to you. Is it here? As you see it here, that one here, that one here. So it needs to come to break that last here. Yes or no? If we go back to the chart here, we will see it together here. Look with me here and here. Now the chart, it needs to come to break here in that level, to do like that and to do like that to break the last high. So technically, also we are not yet in the bottom. Not technically, but that bull run will happen here. What it meant to you. If you remember what else we said here in the daily, people they've been with us the last Friday, not that Friday because that Friday I haven't done it. We said here the option people, the BN, people they believe in the Bitcoin is going to fall down is about here $300 million. They being short the Bitcoin here at 18k. What happened here? When the break it happened here, they get liquidated and look till where the Bitcoin goes. I'll tell you all those things before. And here what else we got? Another thing. We got here the top of that wage. Also we show it to you in the weekly. So did we bottom? Not yet. Not yet. Because if you zoom in out like that, yes, you can make like that a smaller trend line like here. That trend line is being broken here. And even the 200 moving average is getting broke here. So that one, it's indicating the market is going up. Now what shall we do now here? People, they haven't entered yet. People, they haven't entered with us and they just came, they haven't entered from 15k. What you shall do is going to come a correction. Remember that. You see that 200 moving average here, we're getting broke. You need to make a close eye at it, what the market is going to do there. If we fall down and we touch it here, then after that we're going up and we're breaking that last high here, that one where we are. If you don't enter, you're missing all the opportunity you're thinking of. Because now look where you are. You are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it here. You are in it again here. Last time from here we fall down. If you remember, we've been going up. Then after that, the FTX came. Then also we fall down to here. Now we are in it again here. That's why me, I believe it is going to fall down. And that thing is going to happen in Monday because Saturday and Sunday, there is no big volume. Unless if we are bottom yet, you're going to see tomorrow a big volume is going to break till 26k or 24k. That's another story. But now, it's going to make a correction like that in maybe in Monday. And after that, it's going to go up. Who telling me also we bottom? Who telling me that? Me personally, even in the stock market, that was me I do. Because me as people, they been with me for some time. Me divided my capital to 50% in crypto. And me in crypto, I don't trade any fancy coins or something. I trade only Bitcoin. 25% is it in the stock market and 25% in the forex. That's how me are dividing my capital. That's not our topic. So who telling me also we bottom here? The fundamental data were coming from USA. The fundamental data is telling me also we bottom. And the thing we're going to confirm that to us, who is it? Is the Fed interest rate. If the Fed increase interest rate by 0.25, that it was the goal that about 5 or 6 months ago. If it increased by 0.25, that's the bottom. Because inflation is falling down. Interest rate, we used to be 0.75, it fell down to 0.50. If that month they increase interest rate by 0.25, that meant the Fed, this thing is getting better. And you're going to see a big going up, because what that meant, if they increase interest rate by 0.25, that is indicating the inflation at pivot from that 9 till 6 now where we are. That's what we're going to tell you are pivoting or not. So now what else we said till now? We're talking about fundamental. You need to wait in the Fed if it's going to increase interest rate by 0.25 or no, or it's going to increase by 0.50. That's the first thing. Second thing, what is it? Technical analysis we're telling you. That's the second thing. You focus it about the two levels here. Look with me here. You came here to your chart, you came to that level here, that one, and you draw in here a square. From here, look at it. It used to be here as support. It converted to a resistance. Now it's getting broke, that one. Everything is too clear here. Another one, where it is. You came to that one and that peak, that one. You try to connect them by a square like that. Very simple. And you waiting that one to come to break here. If it's breaking here and making like that, like a V and going up and breaking the last high, that's the bottom 100%. Should also we wait until here to 24K. For long-term traders, no, you don't need to wait until there. If just came and touching here the 200 moving average here and go doing like that and breaking that last high which is here, enter long. Don't wait until the top here. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Because me personally, I think it's going to come till here. Over here is going to stay sideways. Then after that, it's going to get going up. And people, they been in the crypto market for long. People, they been in the crypto market for long. I'm not talking about just people who started yesterday. People, they been in the crypto market for some time. From 2016, 2018, and now we are in 2023. What you have see? Let me show you. When the bull market started, look at it. Look from here. Look from that level here. What you see? When the bull market started, it went very, very, very fast. Yes or no? And when the bear market it started getting very slow like that. So people they being with us from here at those levels. What me I being telling you? All those things me I'm telling you now, you can find it in our videos, the past videos. What I'm being telling you. I'm telling you guys, before the plane it taking off, what you need to do, you need to enter, to find your set, to close your belt, and to sit comfortable. So when it's going to go up, you are with it. Same thing what else we done. Me have been telling you, me have been buying all those levels here. Look where we are now. And here, what me I told you in the last video, we're doing like that. A wage like here. I told you if that one came and break in here, that's the bottom 100%. That's what else we waiting. And that one, that bottom is going to be here. That breaking is going to be here. Exactly in the top of that one. So till now, us we still waiting what's going to happen. That's it. Let's go now to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, it touch here the overbought area. I'll show you that in the last video. Should we enter short? No, there is no entry short. Us we been waiting to touch here, to touch the overbought area for some time. Now it need that one to come here, to that level here, to that place here. We see that correction here. Then after that, we're going to enter long. That for people they haven't entered from with us from down here. People they been with us, we enter from 15K exactly the day of FTX collapse, when all the media they talking about Bitcoin is going to go to zero bankruptcy, blah 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 blah. Me I buy from here. Exactly, I buy from here. People they been with me, they know that. Actually, us we buying from here and from here. And when the Bitcoin came here to that level, because we used to have here a downtrend, when it touched it here, what I tell people they buying with here, with me from here and here, what I told them. People they been with me, write it down and I come and I tell them what me I told you. I told you, if you buy from here, from that level here, $100, and from here $100 over here, sell what it equals $200, and you let the rest to run. Why I told you to do that? I told you to free your capital. Yes or no? So now us, in that place where we are today in 21K, without any risk, should we buy again? I'm going to tell you where we're going to buy again. So make sure to watch all the videos. Every day watch all the videos. When is it the right time, I'm going to tell it to you. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here in the 4 hours, look what the Bitcoin doing here. What it doing here? Same like how it done it here. Same like how it done it here. And the same like how it's doing here. It's resting. Yes or no? Very, very simple in front of you. The chart is talking to you. Should you enter long now? No, my friend. You need to go to lower time frames, like 30 minutes or something like that, and you draw a level like that and you wait. And if a candle came and close above that peak here, you enter long. That's it. Lower time frames like 30 minutes or something. You just wait in the correction, you enter long. That's it. But for lower time frames, you need to use stop loss. Remember that. People they enter in lower time frames, they need to use stop loss. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into our other indicator. What it's saying. That one here. Also, we are here at the overbought area. We reached till 80 something. 88. That's when we are at the overbought. Shall we enter short? No. We don't got any price action. It telling us we need to enter short. That one is just an oscillator and the momentum oscillator. It follow the chart. That's it. It's need the market to tell us there is a price action indicating the market is going to reverse. If there is no price action, there is no entry short. Also, it's still in an uptrend. And actually, when that indicator here it enters to the overbought area, it's indicating there is a big momentum entering to the market. That was me being telling you. Now, what shall we do? It's going to come here to that level here, as you see that trend line we got here, and from here also we're going to enter again long. Unless if it give us here a divergence or something, that's something different. Everything is too clear here. Let's see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, it enter here to the overbought area. Shall we enter short? No, we don't got any price action here indicating us we need to enter short. Yes, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. That one here is it at the overbought area, but we don't got the most important part of all those things. We don't got any price action here. And another thing, I tell it to you before, but it's okay. Let me repeat it again. What did I told you here? I told you we used to have here a cup and handle. Yes or no? Like that. The neckline is here. It's getting broke where it needs to be the take profit. You do it like that and you do it like that. Did it bring for you the take profit? Exactly. Look at it. Just bring in that line here. You put it here. You saw it or not? It's bring for you the take profit exactly. That's why us with Talican, you need a price action like that one indicating for you need to enter long. And us here we enter long from where? People they begin with us, they remember that. Us we enter long from here. But just for swing trading, not for long-term investment. We enter long from here. Look where we are. Another entry we enter it here. We enter short here. We used to have here a channel like that. When it's getting broke here, we enter long. We enter short, sorry. We enter another long here. Where did we enter it? We enter it here. People, they been with us for some time. They watching all those free signals we gave them. We enter long from here. And that one, me, I remember it exactly. I put stop loss here. And I close everything here. Why did I close it? Because we used to have here that cup and handle. Same thing now. Look where we are. We don't got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter short. So we need to wait in. It's need the market at least to do like that. To give you here a price action. What me been telling you all the time. I told you when a falling knife is too dangerous to catch it. And when a rocket going up is too dangerous to catch it. It's need that rocket to bounce and to slow its speed and to give you a price action indicating that the market is going to reverse. We don't got any price action here. So why should us we enter short? Actually, us we are in a long position and we are risk free. We're earning money very easy. Should we enter short? No. Should we close our long position? No. That's it. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look with me here. That's what me I told you. Very clear here. Give you here a very clear flag like how it gave it to you here. If you remember, just 2 days here. It give you another one here. Yes or no? Now it give you the same thing here. Should you enter short? Yes, if that one came and breaking down here, me I'm talking here about 30 minutes. If it came and breaking here, about scalping and day trading, remember that. You enter short here in 30 minutes. But if it came and breaking up here, breaking that 21k, should you enter long? Yes. Where it need to be the take profit, look with me here. Very, very close what I'm going to do. You do like that. That flag like that, you came down here to that zone here, you draw in like that a line or the stake of the flag, and the place where it's going to break in, you do it the same stake. That one is going to be the take profit of you. Why me I told you to enter long, to enter short? Let's see why. Our indicator, where it is it here at the overbought area? So guys, should we enter short? No, there is no price action. Unless if that one came and break in here, we should enter short that time. Everything is too clear? Let me show you more. Our indicator, that one what it's telling us here. Look at it. Very clear divergence you got here. Should you enter short? Unless if the price action here getting broke that price action here. Everything is too clear? So, that's it for that video. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.